Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Following the recent hike in the pump price of petrol, the Delta State government is considering investing in electric vehicles for mass transportation to reduce costs for both transporters and commuters. Governor Sheriff Oborevwori made this known shortly after inspecting and test driving 2 electric vehicles presented by an indigenous automobile company recently at Government House, Asaba.
Recently, Governor Sheriff Oborevwori held a meeting with officials of an indigenous automobile company at Government House, Asaba, where they presented 2 electric vehicles for inspection and test driving. Electric vehicles are easy to maintain and do not require fuel to drive. In Delta State, electric vehicle-based mass transit scheme is expected to reduce the cost of transportation by 80%. Governor Oborevwori said the state would give it a thought.
I'm putting a team that will study the work plan, if it's something that is doable and something that the state can do, and to see how we can also support the transporters. The issue is just to save costs.
Also speaking, Chairman of Jet Motors, Chidi Ajaire, said investing in electric vehicles was the way to go, considering that they are cheaper and more environmentally friendly.
As a mass transport operator, right, if you buy this vehicle, you are very sure that your return on investment makes a lot of sense. So your driver is not cheating you on petrol. You're not thinking about all the fake parts, and all the servicing costs, all the issues you have to deal with fuel combustion. You don't deal with them when you deal with EV, and you also save the environment from emission as well. The
electric vehicles presented to Governor Oborevwori use solar-powered batteries as alternative to fuel. With fully charged batteries, they can cover several kilometers at minimal cost for private and commercial use.
Inside the Niger Delta,